Yes kabisa, nizere ko mumeze neza cyane. Ni iminsi myinshi cyane yarishize tutabana hano kuri Taifa Sport. Nizere ko muri amahoro. Tugiye kuba turebera hamwe, tugiye kumva ibyo umusore witwa kabisa Uwiyaremye Fidali n'uwitwa Sekiganda Ronald batangaje muri interview exclusive irangiye mu kanya gato. Ese ni ibiki babaye batangaza? Ni uwuhe mwuka uri Shyorongi? Ni uwuhe mwuka uri muri equipe ya APR barimo baritegura CECAFA Kagame Cup? Imyitozo nayizanye, abantu mwajyaga munshinza kuba nayifite imyitozo. Ibyo byose tugiye kuba kabisa tubirebera hamwe, murimo muragenda mubibona. Turaza kugenda mbahereza n'izindi video, izindi interview abasore bagiye batandukanye ba equipe ya APR ndetse n'umutoza Abdurrahman Taleb bagiye batangaza. Ibyo byose nibyo twavanye ku munsi w'ejo Ishyorongi, uretse yuko natari nakabonye uko negura ikiganiro kugira ngo mbe nabibahereza. Iyi ni Taifa Sport. Ubwo nimba warakanze subscribe ni byiza, reka ngushimire cyane. Ubwo ngubwo nimba wowe ugiye kuyikana aka kanya ndagushimiye, kanda like ubundi ube utanga n'ibitekerezo byanyu ngende mbisoma. Dufite group y'abakunzi ba Taifa Sport ndetse bakaba ari n'abakunzi ba equipe ya APR FC. Ubwo ngubwo ushaka kuyijoininga reba muri description urasangamo nimero, ubundi unyandikire tube tugenda tuzamuka tubana neza cyane. Ibyacu nagutinda rero. Ubwo ngubwo ni ku munsi w'ejo equipe ya APR FC yakoraga imyitozo bitegura imikino igiye itandukanye ya CECAFA Kagame Cup iratangira tariki 24 z'ukwezi kwa karindwi. Ni ku munsi wo kwa gatanu aho baraza kuba bari gukina na Gor Mahia yo mu gihugu cya Kenya. Niyo match iraza kuba itangira, barakina ku isaha kuri stade Amahoro. Abakinnyi ba equipe ya APR batangaje uburyo bakomeje kugenda bitegura ino mikino. Squad yuzuye. Uwitwa Maduzone mu kanya gato yabaye asesekara i Kigali yahageze. Ubwo nawe ku munsi w'ejo araza kuba atangira imyitozo. Ni breaking news. Ubwo ngubwo ikindi wamenya kiri kubera Ishyorongi nuko abakinnyi bose nimba bahari bakaba barimo baragenda bakora imyitozo. Uwitwa Taleb nawe ikintu afite cyase intego afite ni ukuba batangira kuba bajya mu kibuga. Reka dukurikire izi interview ndetse biri kubera Ishyorongi mu myitozo. Ngewe turakomeza kugenda tubanya na mu ma interview agiye atandukanye. Iyi ni Taifa Sport, nizere ko mwakanze subscribe.
Urebye aho kuza muri APR ari ibintu bigoranye kubera ko harimo abakinnyi benshi b'Abanyarwanda kandi abenshi tutari tuziranye. Banyakiriye neza, ntabwo natinze kwisanga mu ntuza muri equipe muri rusange.
Wakira ko uri kugira ko
oya urebye ntabwo ari ibintu byahatari kubera ko niyo ushaka gukina ushaka gutera imbere, kandi ndizera ko ntari nakoze nabi ku buryo ikipe nkatera imwe itanyifuza. Icya mbere ni ugukora cyane kuko umwanya ntabwo bawuguha gutyo gusa, nawe ugomba kuwukorera. Kumva Imana nimfasha nzakora cyane kandi nkabigeraho.
Fida, ukigera muri APR watubwiye ko Abanyarwanda mwari musanzwe musereramo bigeze bikugora. Watubwira nk'umwe cyangwa babiri bagufashije guhita winjiza muri groupe y'abana.
Harimo Yunusu, harimo Kagege, umva abasisi baba.
Muri kwitegura imikino ya CECAFA, navuga ko APR Pressure itandukanye na Kiyovu Sport. Iyo ni ikipe wari isa n'intsinzi buri munsi. Iyo mpumeko mwatangiye kuganiraho nka groupe no ku ruhande rwawe nk'umukinnyi mwamaze kujya muri mode ya CECAFA?
Oya, urebye APR ibigwi ifite ntabwo ari ngombwa ngo mu biganiro ko birivugira. Ni umwuka uba urimo gutsinda match buri match yose.
Umutekano cyakugura ikigira n'Ishyorongi.
Cyane cyangwa ntacyo kubera ko hano ni mu rugo. Hano niho mvuka tu.
Nibwo kuvugira abaturage b'Ishyorongi ubwo ntibajya baza nkahariya hejuru bakavuga ati Fidali wacu, ntabwo bajya bikubwira.
Ntabwo byabura ariko ndumva nta bikaze birimo.
Ubutumwa ku bakunzi bazaza kubashyigikira muri uyu mukino wa CECAFA?
Ni intsinzi gusa tu.
So far the preparation is so good. All the players are now here, and the coaches, it's full house now. We are ready to go.
your second season?
It's my second season. I would first talk about the first season. There were a lot of challenges, and we managed to go through them. For the second season, we are just preparing. So we just prepare and we get ready every challenge to come, we are going to face it rough. Yeah.
in Rwanda in APR?
My first season, I faced a lot of challenges. Of course, the community was new. I had to get familiar, the language, and as a player, like I lost my mom, so it was a bit emotional. So I think I'm becoming more stronger now.
I understand.
I try some words,
Like,
a lot of words.
Two.
Like I cannot say them now, but I have many words. Like I can greet. I can ask for food.
In Rwanda?
Yeah.
Okay. Do
then
it.
ask
Just to
for
give us a
No, we can
greet us in Rwanda. Greet us.
like mwiriwe. A lot of words.
when you say really, how they respond?
Neza.
Then how do you ask for food?
Ndashaka ibyo kurya.
But I think it's like Uganda.
Of course, I've just received the information now, but it's a responsibility because we had wonderful captains, Claude, Bosco, Kilema. So it's a big responsibility to go through, you understand? But I believe everyone is a captain here. We are going to do it as a team.
So in next 9 days,
As a team, APR is to win the CECAFA Kagame Cup. I think we last won it many years ago. But this time round, we are coming very strong to win the CECAFA Kagame Cup. And it remains here. Good enough, we are the hosts here in Rwanda.
the first game is against
The first game is against Vipers.
Against
No, Gomahia.
Then
First game is against Gomahia, then Vipers. For Vipers, we know them very well. We know they are a strong team. And we are preparing for them. As well as Gomahia. We are ready. We are getting prepared.
But Leonard, as team captain right now, you guys are using almost three languages: French, English, Kinyarwanda. How is the communication in the dressing room? All of you guys are understanding the how can I say it, the vision of the team. Is there anyone who explains for them? Just tell us about communication of the team.
For the communication thing, we have an interpreter, I think. He knows all the languages, and as players, we try to help each other. So the communication is okay. Everyone understands everything.
the message for the fans, APR fans.
For the fans, we love you so much. We are calling you to come and support us for the CECAFA Kagame Cup, and we thank you for always supporting us.
Thank you so much.